Hey there, future crypto enthusiast. Welcome to a world where finance meets innovation. Have you heard about the exciting world of cryptocurrency? It's more than just digital money. It's a whole new way of thinking about value and transactions. It's a revolutionary way to think about money and investing. Imagine a financial system that's open to everyone, everywhere, at any time. And if you're looking to dive in, you've come to the right place. The journey into crypto can be thrilling and rewarding. Binance is your one-stop shop, your digital passport to this exciting new world. It's where your crypto adventure begins. Think of it as your friendly neighborhood crypto exchange, a place where you can feel at home while exploring new financial horizons. Binance provides a platform to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, offering you a seamless experience. From the well-known Bitcoin to a whole universe of altcoins you're about to discover. Each coin has its own story and potential. It's like a stock market, but for the future of finance, a dynamic space where innovation and opportunity meet. Ready to embark on your crypto journey? The adventure awaits, and it's easier than you think. Let's get you set up on Binance. It's easy, we promise. With just a few clicks, you'll be part of the crypto community. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through creating your very own Binance account. No technical jargon, just simple steps. We'll break down each step, making it simple and understandable for everyone, even if you're brand new to the world of crypto. You'll be trading in no time. We'll also highlight some crucial security measures because in the world of crypto, safety is paramount. Let's get started and make your crypto journey secure and successful. First things first, let's get you registered on Binance. Head over to the official Binance website. You'll find the register button, usually prominently displayed. Click it and you'll be greeted with the account creation page. Binance gives you two easy options to sign up: email or phone number. Choose whichever you prefer. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the designated field. If you prefer using your phone number, select the mobile option and enter your number. Double-check what you've entered to avoid any typos. Once done, click Create Account. You'll be one step closer to your crypto adventure. Remember, always use the official Binance website. There are fake websites out there designed to trick you, so be cautious. Now, on to the next step. Now that you've entered your email or phone number, it's time to create your password. This step is crucial for securing your account. This is your first line of defense against any unwanted access to your account. A strong password acts as a barrier, keeping your personal information safe. Think of it as the lock on your digital vault. Just like you wouldn't leave your home unlocked, you shouldn't leave your account unprotected. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This combination makes it much harder for anyone to guess. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birth date or pet's name. Hackers often try these first. Instead, consider a random phrase or a combination of unrelated words. This method can create a password that's both strong and memorable. The more complex and unique your password, the harder it is for hackers to crack. Complexity is key to keeping your account secure. Once you've crafted your super strong password, enter it in the password field and then again in the confirm password field. Double check for any typos, make sure they match perfectly. A mismatch could prevent you from accessing your account. Remember your password or store it securely. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your password safely. You'll need it every time you log into your Binance account. A secure password ensures a smooth and safe login experience. You're almost there. After creating your password, Binance will ask you to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure for most reputable crypto exchanges. It helps ensure security and prevents fraudulent activities. Don't worry, it's a simple process. Binance uses a system called KYC, Know Your Customer. You'll be asked to provide a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure you have a clear and legible copy of your ID ready to upload. You might also be asked to provide additional documents, such as a utility bill or bank statement, to verify your address. This helps Binance confirm that you are who you say you are and that you are residing where you claim. It adds an extra layer of security to your account and to the Binance platform as a whole. Section 5, two-factor authentication, double up on security. Security is paramount in the world of crypto. With the increasing value and popularity of digital currencies, the risk of cyber threats has also surged. That's why Binance offers an extra layer of protection called two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This feature is designed to safeguard your assets and personal information. Think of it as a security guard for your account, standing vigilant 24/7. Even if someone gets hold of your password, they'll still need your phone to access your account. This makes unauthorized access significantly more difficult. Setting up 2FA is easy and straightforward. It only takes a few minutes, but adds a robust layer of security. Binance will usually prompt you to enable it during the account creation process, ensuring that your account is protected from the get-go. You can use an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps are free and widely trusted in the industry. These apps generate time-sensitive codes that you'll need to enter along with your password when logging in. This code changes every 30 seconds, adding an extra layer of complexity for potential hackers. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, making it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account. It's like having a digital shield protecting your assets. It's highly recommended to enable 2FA for any online account that deals with sensitive information, especially your crypto exchange account. This small step can save you from potential financial loss. Your funds will thank you for it. By taking this precaution, you ensure that your investments are safe and secure, giving you peace of mind. Section 6. Phishing protection. Don't get hooked by scammers. The crypto world, while exciting, can also attract scammers. These bad actors might try to trick you into giving away your login credentials through phishing attempts. They might send you fake emails or messages that look like they're from Binance, asking you to click on a link and enter your information. Don't fall for it. Always double-check the sender's address and look for any suspicious signs before clicking on any links. Binance will never ask for your password or other sensitive information through email or messages. If you receive any suspicious communication, report it to Binance immediately. Remember, vigilance is key in the crypto world. Always be cautious and think twice before entering your information anywhere. If something feels off, it probably is. Trust your instincts and stay safe online. Section 7. The withdrawal whitelist, keeping your crypto secure. Binance offers a handy feature called the withdrawal whitelist. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your withdrawals, ensuring that your crypto only goes to the addresses you trust. Think of it as a VIP list for your crypto withdrawals. When you enable the withdrawal whitelist, Binance will only allow withdrawals to addresses that you have personally added to the list. This prevents anyone from withdrawing your crypto to an unknown address, even if they manage to gain access to your account. Setting up a withdrawal whitelist is simple and highly recommended. You can find the option in your account security settings. Once enabled, take your time to carefully add and verify each withdrawal address. Section 8, a physical shield, introducing the Binance Security Key. For the ultimate security measure, consider getting a Binance Security Key. This is a small physical device that acts as a hardware token. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to physically have the key to access your account. The Binance Security Key plugs into your computer's USB port. When you log into your Binance account, you'll be asked to confirm the login attempt by pressing a button on the key. This makes it virtually impossible for anyone to access your account without physically having the key. While the Binance Security Key offers the highest level of protection, it's optional. However, if you're serious about security and hold a significant amount of crypto on your Binance account, it's worth considering. Section 9. Completing your identity verification, the final step. You're almost at the finish line. The last step is to complete your identity verification process. Binance will guide you through the steps, which usually involve providing your personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Make sure you enter your information accurately, as it should match the information on your government-issued ID. You'll also be asked to upload a clear photo of yourself holding your ID, as well as a selfie. This helps Binance verify your identity and ensures that you're a real person. Once you've submitted all the required information and documents, Binance will review your application. This process might take a few hours or a few days, depending on their workload. Section 10. Congratulations, you're in. Now what? Congratulations, you've successfully created your Binance account and are ready to dive into the world of crypto. Explore the platform, familiarize yourself with the interface, and discover the vast array of cryptocurrencies available. Remember, the crypto market can be volatile, so it's essential to do your research and understand the risks involved before making any trades. Start small, invest only what you can afford to lose, and never let emotions dictate your trading decisions. Binance offers a wealth of resources and educational materials to help you learn more about cryptocurrencies and trading. Take advantage of these resources and never hesitate to reach out to their customer support if you have any questions or need assistance. Section 11. Stay safe and explore. A world of crypto awaits. As you embark on your crypto journey, remember that security is paramount. Keep your account credentials safe, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing attempts. The crypto world is constantly evolving, so stay informed about the latest security practices and trends. Now that you're all set up on Binance, it's time to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Start by learning about different cryptocurrencies, their use cases, and their potential. Research trading strategies, understand market indicators, and always manage your risk wisely. Remember, the crypto market is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay informed, and never stop learning. And most importantly, enjoy the ride. The world of crypto is full of opportunities, and you're now a part of it. Happy trading!